Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to do a walk around and startup video for you on a 1965 Pontiac GTO. Now, this car has a correct YS engine code, 389 cubic inch, automatic transmission. This car has power steering and power brakes. Car has the rally wheels with the beauty rings. Super Sport Futura GLS raised white letter tires. Them are kind of neat tires. I know I've seen them before, but you don't see them that often. The chrome, stainless, and bright work on this car is in very, very good shape. Show you around the windows and stuff here. The glass in this car is all in good shape as well. Glass, wiper blades, mirrors, door handles. Beautiful blue color. Wheels are just gorgeous. Looks like somebody just put them on brand new. Chrome bumper in the rear is in good shape as well. Has a little bit of pitting here on these, on the chrome around these, this big panel piece on the back, which kind of standard operating procedure, I think. Inside the trunk, spatter painted very, very nicely. Appears to have the, looks like it's got original quarters on it, as far as I can tell by looking there. Inside the trunk, paint's very nice. Weather stripping's in good shape. Old dirt there. Two-door hardtop. Interior is very nice. Sail panel, headliner, dome light, visors, padded dash. The padded dash in nice shape. Factory center console. A tripod of gauges there. AM/FM cassette. That's straight out of the 70s or 80s. Package tray, sail panels, rear seat, front seat. The whole interior in this car is in really nice shape. Sill plates, jams, they're nice. What are you trying to eat there, dog? What you eating, doggy? Chrome valve covers and air cleaner, aluminum radiator, stock exhaust manifolds, painted body color underneath the hood, like it should be, bottom side of the hood. Got a battery disconnect on it. This is a really nice muscle car for not a lot of money. I'm gonna price this car $49,900. I know it's probably worth more than that, should bring more than that, but that's what I'm gonna price this car at. Car's got a few little imperfections in it that I'd be happy to point out to you. Got a small little chip right here. And I would say that just happened. So we'll get that touched up. And on the roof, you can see a few fine little, must have a little spot there that was touched up. It has a little bit of solvent popping up here on the top of the, you can see it right there, on the top of the roof. I don't see it anywhere else on the car, but right there on the top of the roof, it has some. It had a little scuff right here that we touched up. And it had a little chip right here that we touched up. I know that leather chip had to just happen, or otherwise the guys didn't notice it when they ran it through the shop. Very nice, clean car. That's what we do here at Kinion Classics. You watch my videos, you look at my cars. I'm gonna show you exactly what we see on these cars. So my dog he jumped in there and got my damn carpet dirty. He thinks he's got to sit in every single car with me, which I don't care because he's my dog, but I swear you're just like a human, aren't you? You sit there like a human. You look at me like you're a human. Dash lights work. Left turn, right turn. Blower motor works. I didn't figure that radio would work. Horn works. Wipers work. Think the lighter works, Hux? That's warm. It works too, folks. Jams. Just a nice, clean, great looking 65 Goat. Very solid underneath. I got undercarriage pictures of it. That rear turn signal's not working. Front one is. Turn the other one on. See what we got there. Probably just a loose ball or something. Front one works. If you purchase this car this month, free shipping anywhere in the upper 48 states. Obviously, I'm going to exclude Alaska because shipping there is going to be crazy. I think either one of the rear taillights or turn signals is working, so I'll have to get that figured out. That ain't no big deal, though. We'll get her done. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. KinionAuto.com, KINION Auto.com. And you also are going to get a 6-month, 1,000-mile warranty with this car if you purchase it this month. So not only are you stealing the car for $49.9, you're getting a free warranty and you're getting free shipping. So I'd say that's a really, really good deal. So you better give us a call, 563-452-2450. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality collector car. Kinion Classics, you know what you're getting when you get it from us. We're going to tell you everything we know. So I hope you all have a great afternoon, and I'll be back at you here in just a little bit with another great quality classic. Thanks for watching, everyone.